Hi, it's Miss G, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own digital book using Book Creator. Bookcreator.com. It's super easy. It's really fun. You're going to love all the features. So first, just go to Google and search Book Creator, and this will bring up the app for you, bookcreator.com. Click on that. And here's the front page. So you haven't signed in before, so you need to sign up and make your account. I already have an account, so let me use mine to show you how to do this, okay? I'm going to sign into my account. And here it brings up some books I've been working on. Here's one that I did, All About Me, Miss G. I shared that with you last week. I just put 3 photos of my own from my camera roll in it and made a book about me to share with you. Today we're going to make one for you. But we're going to use photos off the internet to practice, okay? And then later you can use your camera roll if you'd like to add your personal photos. So let's click up here on New Book. And the recommended size is the square 1-to-1 ratio. So let's go ahead and click on that for today. And there's the cover. Tells you it's the cover right here, okay? A blank cover. You can add backgrounds, you can add photos, you can add text. So we're going to keep it simple today, and I'm going to teach you the basics, and then you can go in and play with all the features and really doctor up your book or make a new one and use all the features to make it cool, okay? So to add something to the cover, you simply click on the plus sign up here, and it brings up all your choices. You can add media, images from you can take a picture from your camera, use a pen to draw, text boxes, and record. You can add shapes, and then the More button, you can add apps and you can embed and add files, and we can work on doing that later, okay? So let's go back to media, and let's start with an image. I'm going to put up a picture for this All About Me book, so I'm just going to search selfie, see if anything comes up. Oh, sure, photos come up. So I'm going to I'll choose this sunset picture, and you can choose any one you like. So I'm going to click Add, and it just adds it for me to the cover. And then I need a title for my book, right? So I'm going to move this by clicking with my mouse and dragging the photo down to the bottom so that I can put my title of my book up here. And to do that, I just click on the plus sign, Add, and I'm going to add a text box. So the text box comes right up, and I can type in All About Me. Let's just all name our book All About Me by, and you can put your name in. I could spell my name right, and that would help. There we go. Done. And it adds it in. Now I can move this by clicking with my mouse and dragging it, and it'll give me that red centering line that we love so much, and puts it right in the center. Okay, let's do that now, and we'll come back later and doctor up the text and fix it, change the font the way we want it. Okay, if you click on this arrow to the right, it takes us to the next page, page 2. And let's add an image. Let's see, I want to add that I have a dog. So we can search dog. Oh, lots of pictures come up on dogs. Look at all these. I think I'm going to choose this one. That's so cute. Okay, and I'm going to add it. Everybody with me? Found a dog or a cat or hamster, any kind of pet you have. And again, I think I'm going to move it up this time so I can then put a text box down here at the bottom. So I'm going to add by clicking on the yellow circle with the plus sign, and I'm going to click on text. And I'm going to add, this is my dog, Fluffy. Okay? Everybody with me? And we're going to click on Done, and it adds the text box. Of course, we want to move that, don't we? So left click on the mouse, drag it, get it down to the bottom, and place it where we want it. I'm going to center mine. You can place yours wherever you like. Okay, so there's your second page. Now we're going to click on the right arrow to take us to page 3. Let's add another image. Let's add, what's our favorite food? Pizza. Click on pizza. Oh yeah, lots of different types of pizza. You can scroll down. There's all different types. I'm going to choose this one and click on Add. Isn't this simple, guys? And it's so fun. So, oh, this pizza has jalapenos on it. I wouldn't normally choose that, but okay, whatever. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to move it up by clicking on my mouse and dragging so I can add a text. Okay, here's my text box. I'll just say, I love pizza. Okay, there's my text box. I'm going to center it. I'm going to change the size of my text box so it can really be more centered. And there's my red line. That's where I want my text. How's everybody doing? Isn't this simple? It's so fun. Okay, now let's add the end page, the last page. Sorry. Move to +1 page. Here you are, page 4 of 4. Now we're going to add an image, and I think we could probably find some cool images for the end on here. Oh, maybe not. Oh, well, there we go. There's several. These are cool, right? So you wouldn't even need a text box if you do it this way. Game over might be funny if you used video games as one of your favorite things in your book. All sorts of things that you can choose. I'm going to choose this one that says the end. I won't even have to put in a text box because this is going to be my last page. How's this? Okay, click on the left arrow and just click through back to the beginning of your book and see what you think. I've got my sunset cover here, my dog, my favorite food, and that's it. Isn't that fun? And that's how you create a book. So now if you're all through, you can go to my books and you can see that I have this book here in my library. All right, and we'll talk more about in class how to save it, how to send it to people right down here. Here are your options. You can import it, you can move it to the library, you can copy it, you can delete it. We don't want to do that. And here is the share button. We can publish it online, download it as an ebook. You can print it out. Publish it online, lets you know you can make it private. Only the people who have the URL can get it. You have to give it a title, all about me, right? And you can play through it where it will turn the pages for you. This will probably take a little while to download, so I'm going to stop the lesson here, okay? But you can always click on My Books and go back to your library and see that I have now 4 books in my library. 2 that I'm still working on, the one that I completed that I showed you last week, and this new one that we made today. Isn't that great? So you can refer back to this video anytime you need to get the basics. But again, it's really easy. All you do is click on the yellowish orange circle with the plus button in it to get a new book and to add things to it. So let's stop this tutorial now and let you play around with it. And if you have any questions, just ask me. Thanks, guys.